We all want our videos to be watched on YouTube. You need to have a framework for your videos so that you get the views that you want. It's a 3-step process that you need to follow in order for you to get views. The first thing that you need to do is to start with a hook. Make the person aware that they came to the right place to get the answer that they're looking for. So it could be a question or it could be something that agitates them, but make them want to stay and get an answer for that problem that you are agitating them with. Number 2, give content. In other words, solve the issue that you said you were going to give in the content of your video. So when they were clicking on the thumbnail, they wanted to find an answer or they wanted to be entertained. So deliver. So the step number 2 is deliver on the promise of your title or your thumbnail. The last step, call to action. Give the viewer a place to go to, especially because they loved your content so much. Now that they love your content and they want to see more, send them where they can get your courses, or they could subscribe to your channel or to your website and buy merchandise. So send the viewer somewhere after they've watched a wonderful video that you've created. We have a course that we offer to help guide your journey as a YouTuber. So go to learnwithzat.com, enroll. I will see you in the classroom.